Hello friends, today I will provide you information about the road signs which are very important while driving on the road. Whenever you are driving, you should have complete knowledge about them because when you go to get a license, you will be asked about these road sign and there is the test related to it. There are three types of road signs. The first one is mandatory sign, the second is cautionary signs, and third is informative signs. Now the sign which we will talk about first, we call it stop. This sign is done of the very important and the prominent sign. Seeing this sign, the driver should stop the car immediately. This symbol is mostly used by the police during checking on the major point. The next sign we call it is give way. This sign is used more in curved places. This sign is used to give way for other vehicles to go beyond their right side. After this, the next sign is prohibited sign. Entry. Certain sections of a road or an area are closed for the entry of traffic. So on seeing this sign, the driver should stop immediately and change his route. After this, the next sign is one-way street. This indicating that there is only permission for one-way traffic flow. This sign is also known as one-way traffic. After this, the next sign is the same direction but its side has changed from the earlier sign. This sign shows that there is only one side of the traffic flow. This sign is also known as one-way traffic. After this, the next sign is movement of vehicle from both sides is prohibited. This means that you cannot drive on both sides. This sign indicates that it is restricted area. Traffic here is absolutely prohibited. This sign can be used for reasons such as area for pedestrian only, area under repair, etc. After this, we talk about the next sign. This means that all motor vehicles are not allowed to come in that area. This sign is used to reduce congestion in that area. The next sign indicates that trucks or heavy vehicles are not allowed in. These are sunken roads or congested streets where this sign is used because the entry of heavy vehicles may obstruct the flow of traffic. The next sign shows that it is prohibited to take a U-turn. That is not allowed to turn from that turn where there is more traffic on the intersections. This sign is seen because there can be a big accident if you take a U-turn from the middle way or there may be a jam. The driver has to take care of this sign to avoid any kind of penalty or accident. The next sign shows that overtaking is forbidden. Here you cannot do overtake. With the increase in technology, the speed limit of car has also increased and everyone tries to overtake each other's car to same time. But in same places, the road are very narrow and very sharp turns are also in the way. By putting this sign in these places, it is ensured that any vehicle do not overtake the others. The next sign shows that playing the horn is forbidden. In modern society, playing the horn is unnecessarily is considered rude behavior. Hospitals and schools have silent areas close to where the horn is absolutely prohibited. The next sign shows that it is forbidden to park the car. That is no parking. This sign is very important to big cities where it will be bored and your vehicle is parked. Then the police can take it anytime or challan of your car. It can also happen and punitive actions can be taken against the owner of the vehicle. So the driver should always park this vehicle in the authorized area only. Now we will get information about caution sign. It comes first in the right mode. This sign indicates you to turn right and forbidden while walking on the road. This sign prevents you from accident. This gives you time to slow down the speed of your car and keep an eye on the turn. The next sign indicates the left side turn. This sign indicates you to turn left side while walking on the road. This sign prevents you from accident. This gives you time to slow down the speed of your car and keep an eye on the turn. The next sign shows that right turn curved. This turn is mostly in the hilly areas. This sign indicates you a sharp curved turn ahead on the road. This gives you time to slow down the speed of your car and keep an eye on the turn. If not, then big accident can happen because sharp turns are not easily seen on the mountain path. The next sign shows that the left side curved band is mostly in hilly areas. This sign indicates a sharp curved band forward on the road. This gives you time to slow down the speed of your car and keep an eye on the turn. If not, then big accident can happen because sharp turns are not easily seen on mountain road. Next sign indicates that turning to the right and going forward. This sign warns the driver about the crooked path ahead. Upon seeing this sign, the driver must reduce the speed of his vehicle and proceed with caution to the vehicle. The next sign indicates that turning to the left side and going forward. This sign warns the driver about the crooked path ahead. Upon seeing this sign, the driver should reduce the speed of his vehicle and keep the car ahead with caution increase. The next sign indicates a steep climb. From this sign, we find that there is a steep climb ahead and the driver must be prepared for it and the gear should be chosen carefully and the car will be carried forward. Often this type of climb or steep slope mostly in mountain areas. The next sign shown a straight slope. From this sign we find that there is a straight slope ahead and the driver must be prepared for it and the gear should be chosen carefully and the car will carry it forward. Often this type of straight slope is mostly in hilly areas. The next sign shows you about the narrow roadway. When the width of the road is reduced and you meet a narrow path, then the speeding vehicle is likely to face a head-on collision. This sign warns that driver that the road ahead is short and narrow. The next sign shows you about the wide path. Where the sign is displayed, the path becomes wider and the traffic should go in that way. The next sign shows you about the narrow bridge. Sometimes the road is found which is less wide than the road. The sign is placed before that bridge. The driver should keep the speed of his car very low during this time. Traffic coming from other side should also be monitored. The next sign shows you about that slippery road. This sign makes you aware of the slippery road condition. It can also be caused by water leakage or oil spill. The driver should keep the speed of his car very low during this time, and traffic coming from the front should also be monitored. Now I will provide you information about informational signs which are very important. The first thing that comes in this is that we call the mark identifying the place. While walking on the road, you have often seen that there are boards at different places and there is something written about that place on them. This sign shows the identity of the area, indicating that the boundary of that place has started. This type of informative sign is used on national highways. The next sign shows you about the public telephone. This sign tells you that telephone facility is available here. The next sign shows you about the petrol pump. This symbol provides information about the petrol pump coming forward on the road. Sometimes the distance of the petrol pump is written along with it. The next sign shows you about the hospital. This sign indicates you to be somewhere near the hospital. While driving on this path, the driver should be alert and never play a horn unnecessarily. The next sign shows you about the first aid center. This sign shows that there are first aid center in the vicinity. Sometimes in case of accident, their first aid center are very beneficial. The next sign shows you about the food location. Usually this sign can be seen on the highway or long roads. The next sign shows about snacks. This sign indicates that snacks are available somewhere nearby. The next sign shows you about the resting place. This sign warns you about a hotel, guest house, or a place to stay. Usually this sign can be seen on highways or long road. Today I have told you about the three types of signs that are very important. Besides, there are many more types of signs that you must read. I hope that you will be satisfied with the information given by me and you must have learned something new. Thank you.